Bagi yang tak tahu, I think there's a new global movement that is happening right now lah. Yeah, recently, a new global democratic movement, grassroots on the ground, all over the globe. So, tapi satu aspek yang banyak orang tak nampak is this thing, what is called the People's Assembly. What the assembly at the squares are doing, they are taking this format and taking it out to the streets. Why should democracy be practiced by a bunch of people dekat dalam parlimen saja? And why can't democracy be practiced by common people like us on the streets, in the squares? Yeah, and that is what they are doing. Basically, they are forming street parliaments lah, all over the globe. Basically, they are reclaiming their democracy. They are redefining democracy juga. Ya, demokrasi yang kita tahu ialah parlimen lah buat keputusan. They are saying, let's try a different form. I'm redefining democracy. Why can't we have parliaments on the streets? Why can't we participate? Basically, what they are practicing on the squares are basically direct democracy. People, regular people like you and me, participate in decision making. That's direct democracy, the essence of participative democracy atau direct democracy. But in order for it to work, I agree, the number have to be small. So it doesn't work if decisions are to be made for 28 million people. Memang impossible lah 28 million people nak buat keputusan yang sama kan? Yeah? So how? So the proposal ialah to decentralize power and redistribute power to where? So basically what we have in Malaysia is elite governance, yeah? A small bunch of elites from both sides lah. Yeah? BN, even Pakatan jadi government pun, they are still a bunch of elitists. Yeah? They're going to make decisions out of their own interest. Yeah? So we have elite governance and basically the form of democracy yang kita ada sekarang, it's an elite form of democracy. The certain element of democracy is participation. Yeah? They get to participate, but we don't. Yeah? So basically, for me, it's about reclaiming that right to participate. Goes back to the People's Assembly. What are we doing in the squares right now? We are exploring participation, public participation, common people participation beyond elections, because they set the rules lah. Macam Cik Mak cakap, yeah? The rules of the game, who sets it? They set it. They write the constitution. Yeah? They set the game. Yeah? What we are doing in the squares, we are trying to redefine it. Their game says we can participate only through elections. We say we want to participate beyond elections. We also want to look at democracy beyond representatives. The element yang paling polarized sekali masyarakat kita bukannya kaum, bukannya agama. It's political parties. Sama ada UPR ataupun UBN. You pro government atau you pro opposition. Ya, tak ada. It's everything hitam putih. You kritik kat sini, cakap you pro sana. You kritik kat sini, you cakap pro sana. We're saying enough. We want to look at politics without political parties. Is it possible? Come down to the squares. Come down to Dataran Merdeka. We are there every Saturday night. Yeah, experimenting with this new form of democracy. Yeah, doing a new way of doing politics. Enough with politics yang divide us. Let's come together and talk, discuss, deliberate, come to a decision. They get a lot of practice lah being there in Parliament. We need to start practicing now. But we cannot go into Parliament. But the streets are ours. Dataran Merdeka is ours. So let's go there.